Hello everyone and welcome back to Paw Nap. This is Anderson. Today we will be talking about the 6 best cat's pheromone diffuser. Like many people, you've likely experienced anxiety at one point or another, and you're probably aware that dogs can suffer from the condition as well. But did you know that cats get anxious too? It's true, although they have a reputation for playing it cool, our feline friends can indeed experience the uncomfortable and even debilitating effects of anxiety. In fact, a recent study found that 13.5% of pet cats showed at least one symptom of anxiety. Changes like a new home, a new family member, or just that annoying cat next door can cause unwanted, anxiety-related behaviors. Says Alexandra Rodriguez, a veterinary technician in South Carolina. Some pet parents turn to pharmaceutical options, while others try pheromone diffusers. Comfort Zone Calming Diffuser Kit. The Comfort Zone Calming Diffuser Kit features a double dose of pheromones, meaning your cat receives twice the amount of feel-good vibes. Designed specifically for single-cat households and appropriate for both cats and kittens, the pheromone blend is clinically proven to be over 90% effective at reducing 2 common anxiety behaviors, urine marking and unwanted scratching. The Comfort Zone Diffuser can also be helpful when settling in a new cat. To set your pet up for success, plug it in the room you intend to allow your new pet to acclimate in. Many reviews appreciated that the Comfort Zone vapor spray is visible, ensuring that the diffuser is functioning correctly and dispersing regularly. Feliway Multicat Diffuser Starter Kit. A mainstay in the pheromone game, Feliway was the first cat pheromone diffuser on the market. Woodnut personally uses and recommends the brand. I know they've done the research to show that the product is safe, and how and when it helps cats, says Woodnut. I've used them when fostering cats and in the clinic, and they've been excellent. Feliway has a number of popular calming products on the market. Their Multicat diffuser earns particularly good reviews among pet parents with feuding felines. Formulated to reduce tension in homes with 2 or more cats, it disperses pheromones up to 700 square feet. Within 7 days, users should see a decline in aggressive behaviors including standoffs, stalking or chasing, biting, hissing, growling, and spitting. Plus, refills are easy to buy and use. The Feliway Multicat diffuser may be especially effective when introducing a new kitty to your resident cats, when combined with other best practices, such as initially separating pets and slowly introducing the new cat. The pheromones can help make the getting to know you phase less stressful. Sentry Behavior Diffuser. Like other products formulated for single anxious cats, Sentry's diffuser uses calming pheromones to help reduce stress behaviors including marking, excessive meowing, and scratching. What differentiates Sentry's diffusers is the lavender chamomile fragrance. Some reviews enjoy the scent, especially in rooms with litter boxes, while others find it too strong. We personally don't find the scent overwhelming. Relaxivet Cat Calming Pheromone Diffuser Kit. If you're looking for a way to keep the peace in your multi-pet home without the use of harsh chemical additives, Relaxivet uses a powerful combination of pheromones and plant components to help calm feuding or anxious felines. The 2-in-1 formula blends soothing essential oils with the Harmony pheromone marker that helps cats feel at ease with each other. The result not only freshens the room with the gentle scent of lavender, but it also combats a wide range of unwanted cat behaviors, including fighting, scratching, urine marking, and hiding. Pet parents should note that some essential oils have been associated with harmful effects in cats. Be sure to monitor your cat closely and discontinue using the diffuser if you notice any adverse reactions. Thunderease Calming Diffuser Kit. Thunderease is a collection of pheromone products from the makers of the Thunder shirt, a popular compression garment used to help calm anxious dogs. Thunderease cat diffusers use pheromone solutions created by Feliway, which have been extensively tested and reviewed over the years. The single cat formula is designed to deter spraying and scratching, as well as help soothe cats in the event of a move or environmental change, for example, a stressful home renovation. Pet Remedy Natural Distress Diffuser. Searching for a chemical-free calming diffuser? Pet Remedy uses a blend of essential oils and herb extracts instead of synthetic pheromones. The solution is designed to soothe both dogs and cats, and is also recommended for birds, rodents, and horses. Users note that Pet Remedy's diffuser works particularly well for pets experiencing mild to moderate stress due to loud noises, such as thunder and fireworks, and environment changes. Those with aggressive cats and pets with more severe anxiety report having less success. Here are a number of things to consider when selecting pheromones for cats. The most important factor is the pheromone blend. If you have a single cat, select a diffuser that uses calming pheromones. If you have more than one cat, purchase a Multicat pheromone diffuser. So go ahead below in the description and give one of these products a try and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Paw Nap for more pet-related recommendations. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.